Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we have got this trigonometric identity and we are going to prove it. So let's go ahead and get started. And here we got this problem. Cosine of theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta divided by cosine of theta is equal to 2 secant theta. So let's get started with the proof, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let's focus on this left hand side, and here I have just copied down the left hand side of this equation, as you can see over here. And moreover, we can see that this left hand side is the sum of two fractions. As you can see, there's a one fraction and this is another fraction. Let's go ahead and add these two fractions by crisscross method. Let me show you how we're going to do it in a simple way. So we're going to do this way first. Cosine theta times cosine theta is going to become cosine square of theta. And then whatever this sign plus sign is, I am going to put down this plus sign, and then we're going to go other way around and multiply 1 plus sine theta times 1 plus sine of theta on the top on the numerator, and then divided by, we are going to multiply these two denominator. So let's go ahead and multiply them. Cosine of theta times 1 plus sine of theta. And now let's focus on this part on the numerator. I have just copied it down over here. And now we are going to multiply it by using a FOIL method. In other words, double distribution like this one. Let's create these rainbows, and then finally with this one. So let's do that one. 1 times 1 is 1 plus 1 times sine theta is going to be sine theta. Likewise, once again, 1 times sine theta is sine theta, and plus finally sine theta times sine theta is sine square theta. And here they are like terms. So we got 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta. Now let's revert back to our this original problem. So we're going to write down on the top cosine square theta plus this whole thing has been simplified to this one. I am going to write down 1 plus 2 sine theta plus sine square theta, and then divided by cosine theta times 1 plus sine theta. We're not gonna change anything at the denominator. And here's our next step. In this step, I have just rearranged these terms. On the numerator, I just wrote down sine square theta and cosine square theta together, and then 1 plus 2 sine theta, and the denominator is same. And now let's focus on this sine square theta plus cosine square theta. This is always equal to 1 because this is a very famous identity. So therefore, sine square theta plus cosine square theta could be replaced by 1. So therefore, our this numerator on the left hand side could be written as 1 plus 1 plus 2 sine of theta divided by cosine of theta times 1 plus sine of theta. And now in this next step, 1 plus 1, I have just replaced it by 2. Everything is same. And now we can see on the numerator 2 could be factored out, isn't it? If I bring 2 outside, this is could be written as 1 plus sine of theta divided by cosine of theta times 1 plus sine of theta, and then we can see that this 1 plus sine theta and this 1 plus sine theta, they are gone. So I can write this one as 2 times 1 divided by cosine of theta. Now let's focus on these trigonometric ratios on the right hand side. This table, we know that 1 over cosine theta is equal to secant theta. So therefore, we can write this one as 2 times secant theta. And now we can see that this is same as our this right hand side. So this is our right hand side. So we started off with this left hand side and we ended up in the right hand side, and that is our proof. So thus we have proven that this left hand side is indeed equal to this right hand side. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.